The little children raise their open, filthy palms like tiny daggers up to heaven. And all the juvie halls and the riddling rats ask angels made from neon and fucking garbage scream.